The Nike Air Max 95 Big Bubble Lime Blast is a modern take on one of Nike's most iconic sneaker designs. This release combines black, lime blast, anthracite, and metallic silver to create a bold but easy-to-wear colorway. The signature wave-inspired upper features breathable black mesh layered with durable anthracite leather, giving the shoe depth, structure, and long-lasting comfort. Metallic silver details add a clean and futuristic look, while lime blast accents on the laces and visible air unit bring energy and contrast to the darker base. The standout feature is the Big Bubble Air Max cushioning, which delivers enhanced comfort and a strong visual impact. Its transparent design highlights Nike's focus on innovation and performance. Different textures, from smooth leather to sturdy mesh, provide a premium feel overall. First introduced in 1995, the Air Max 95 changed sneaker culture forever. This Big Bubble edition respects that legacy while adding a fresh update, making it a strong choice for daily wear, collectors, and sneaker fans alike.